Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up analyzing cash flow with PropStream, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the PropStream website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Properties tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Properties tab to access the Property search feature. In the search bar, enter the address or location of the property you want to analyze. Review the search results and select the desired property from the list. After selecting the property, you will be directed to its detailed overview page. Scroll down to the cash flow section of the overview page. Begin by entering the property's purchase price in the appropriate field. Next, input the estimated monthly rent for the property. Add any monthly expenses such as maintenance, property management fees, and utilities. Include any financing costs, such as interest rates and loan terms, if applicable. PropStream will automatically calculate your cash flow based on the information you've entered. Take note of the cash flow summary displayed on the screen. You can adjust the variables as necessary to see how they impact your cash flow. Consider using the scenario analysis tool for additional insights. Once you are satisfied with your analysis, you can export the report. Look for the export option on the page and select your preferred format. Save the generated report for your records or to share with stakeholders. Review your cash flow analysis thoroughly to make informed decisions. You have successfully set up your cash flow analysis using PropStream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.